We want infinitely many solutions to the linear system, kx plus 2y equals 4 and 3x plus ky equals 6. Write the coefficient matrix in constants. First equation, coefficients, k, 2, constant 4. Second equation, coefficients, 3, k, constant 6. We need the ratios, k/3 equals 2/k equals 4/6. From k/3 equals 4/6, we find that k/3 equals 2/3 leading to k equals 2. From 2/k equals 4/6 equals 2/3, we find 2/k equals 2/3 leading to k equals 3. These give conflicting values, k equals 2 and k equals 3, so there is no single real k making all three ratios equal. Therefore, the system can never represent the same line for any real k. Thus, there is no real value of k that yields infinitely many solutions.